Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe or button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. People are dragging a family yanontobeko uqele lolu bulawa ngesihluka bulawa ngosibusiso Lawrence ngemva kokuthi amgwazile mahlandla lamaningi ngendlela lesimanga kuphindze kuphuke nemukhwa kuleso sigameko. So people are saying ukuthi kungani mndeni wanontobeko ublame uSibu phela uphinde ublame nemndeni wakabo Sibusiso because they knew nothing about this. They never thought ukuthi nabo mntwana bangenda into lenesihluku ngale ndlela. We've had both family members speaking about what happened, how their relationship was. But it seems like mndeni wakanontobeko is blaming mndeni wakabo Sibusiso, and mndeni wakabo Sibusiso blame muntu. And we even heard his dad saying ukuthi he wants to go and apologize to mndeni wakabo Nontobeko for what their son did. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Do you think it's fair for mndeni wakabo Nontobeko to blame mndeni wakabo Sibusiso? Comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Subscribe, share this video. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.